Okay, this is the last lap. Randy's in third. We're right by the start finisher.
Attention competitors in SVRA race group number 4. The race preceding yours is now on the last lap. This will be your final call to the grid.
This is it.
Race group number 4, this is your final call to the grid.
Should be coming around any minute. Here they come. Here comes Randy. Is that him? No, that's not him. Here he comes.
Randy Williams in the number 27 TR3 will pick up third place.
Third place.
And R.T. Whitfield with them challenging for the number 3 position.
He did good. Excellent.
Before taking the check.
This is a lot of fun. I like this. Here he is, Victory Lane. Third place at the Zippo. Vintage, Sunday, September 2007. Here at the Zippo. First, second, and third. Randy came in third, my buddy. Good job. Wet track, slippery out there.
Beginning with a familiar face here in Victory Lane at Watkins Glen. That's the Zippo UFC
Victory Lane
experiment. A little more excitement in turn 1 than you had planned on. Yeah, well, we were.
Great job. Fantastic. Love this. This is great. I'm glad I came. This was a great weekend.
I was, but unfortunately, about the fact that it was slippery down there. So that was
great weekend. Let's see, number 1, 2, and Randy was number 3.
Support our friends down for helping us out and our visiting England and Pit Group, Barry Curtis and Mike Smith, and anybody else who would think of later. Thank you. Runner-up the first how close were you to the down in turn 1? Well, I missed it completely. I picked the wrong tires for this race. Well deep in the third. When I came up and found him just zooming out onto the track, I said, oh, there's an opportunity. No, he's still at the right tires. But I got to thank Vic. He built me one heck of a race car. And the crew we got here this weekend with Barry and Mike and the whole gang at 356 Enterprise is swapping an engine yesterday so I can be back out here playing again. That's terrific. And our third place finisher, Randy Williams. Good solid run. Thank you.
I'd like to thank my crew, Nick Cady, Bill Felton, and Richard Clonch. Richard's been with me 4 years, and he makes this easy for me. It's great to run in the rain and great to be here at Watkins. I'd also like to thank my wife and my photographer over here, Dr. Perez, and the Tawanda Coalition. Thanks.
You might even say that it was a dandy race for Randy Williams. Again, our 3 podium finishers.
A dandy race for Randy. That is great.
Randy Williams. They will receive the traditional
fantastic
medal the Zippo souvenir lighter, and the bottle of Great Western Champagne. We are going to be ready to go with the race group number 4 in just a very few moments.
That is great. This made the whole weekend.
Get together, you guys.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that's good, that's good. Okay, everybody. Yes, one more. Good, thanks.
Fantastic. This was perfect.
10 pictures.
No problem, I guess.
Keep taking them.
Tell me, there's not even any film.
Very good. Excellent. There's our crowd. There's a car. And it's not raining. Thank God. It stopped raining about an hour and a half ago. Lucky us. Oh, he's heading the other way. That's it.
Once again, you get to talk about with regard to
Oh, here he comes. Fantastic.
And the sports races were always my favorite. Here we get to see a lot of